fuck your mum's pussy. Oh, I've been awarded 2 lots of money.
Zach, you need to upload.
Have you actually?
Yeah, I am, yeah.
Have you actually?
Yeah.
That's half a quarter of a million.
Yeah. Hulu.
Zach, you're my favourite YouTuber at the moment.
Thank you.
Upload. Yeah,
Don't see me doing handy nowadays.
I hate when you ask me over. You don't half a glass of
Oh,
wine.
Snoop.
I want Ben to show.
Sober.
Fuck, I just called my mechanic and they cancelled it.
I had on Xbox.
Trying to get like a good thumbnail view of my guy. So I put it on the thumbnail. But, you know, the world is fucked. Let's call my jester. Oh wait, it said it's destroyed. I wonder who did that.
Tom.
For me. For me.
I think it was. Holy shit! I was just about to come turn next to you like this and no fucking coffee on there.
Oh, go. I'll straight down to Ben.
Oh crap, she's going out, bastard. I nearly did. Holy shit! I'm so high. I don't know what happened to me.
Oh, Ted's online. Ted's online.
Is he? We invite him?
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck? Where did that money come from? That money just came from
Look at all
nowhere.
the sick cars. Let's go.
Beggars!
Pagan.
Okay, oh, fine.
Haha, you got...
This is why I should drive a fucking bus.
So you can't go very fast. Someone's on my car!
I saw that at the
In
end.
my car.
What are we doing? Just driving around, just having some fun. Into the wall.
Normally
Oh
it's a
shit!
SWAT
I
van here.
drive to the police department. Fuck me.
I think this is a police department as well.
I just drove straight to the police department. Bye.
Don't let Zach in. Don't let Zach in. Close it! Close it!
Is it here?
Oh, Tom, why did you drive
Oh,
straight
it is
into
here.
it?
It is here.
All you had to do, right, go out there, see if you can get in. Let me just, wait, move out the way first, let me get in position.
Oh shit, I'm not, oh, I thought I had no police on me then, but yeah, okay.
Oh.
Oh, Zach! What are you doing?
Let's go to the train! We'll just get a big beard.
I'm not putting this car in front of the train.
Why not? You're
I will.
scared, are you?
There's Zach's paying.
You're scared. Hey, you're going too slow! Wait for me!
I got a policeman just scratching up against the police car.
Take.
Holy shit, how'd that thing fucking skin this bastard? Watch this, this thing just pushed these bitches out of the road.
Oh fuck, I got
I thought you were driving backwards and to be
Where are we
cocky.
going? This. You can't drive that fast backwards.
Still faster than this fucking thing, isn't it? Are you fuck off! I've got like some gangs on me and then you're gonna fucking do that. Oh my god, I'm gonna crush my truck! I'm under it! Alright, I'm out of it now. What?
Oh,
What
no,
did I
Tom,
just
you
do
pushed
then?
it down.
Let me try and get to it! I can't get in it!
No, Tom, don't
All
push,
these
Tom, don't
fucking
push
people are trying to kill me!
No, train's coming!
Let me get in this thingy. Oh my god! How did I not die? Oh my god, no, I'm dead. Oh my god.
My car's safe.
Jesus Christ, what the fuck was that?
Got
God.
left.
God. Is there another train coming? Ow!
So do you want a lift?
No, I'm going over here. Fuck you.
The SWAT van's still there.
No, it is. You see that? How did you fuck up moving this anyway? I want to fucking get hit by the... I want to get hit by the train! It's coming!
On the car.
I'm not level at all, but this is gonna work!
I'm not doing it.
You know, how did that work?
I drove straight into it.
We exploded. Hey, come on, Anthony. Hey, come on.
No.
What are you doing then?
You're gonna shoot me.
I love this pistol, it's so fucking good. Oh, how did that get you? Quick sub, must up. Down you go. Absolutely fucking.
What is it, boy, Zach?
Hey, I am the boss right now. No one will fly me ever again. No one ever did, you know. Oh, I got gunned down!
You know when I first did it, when I got my first subscriber, it motivated me so much, and I uploaded like 3 that day. Just that one guy.
Holy shit, I was
now-
literally just on the like commit suicide command thing and he just fucking did that.
I'll try that, didn't I?
What are you two doing now?
I'm going to the airport.
Only get a kamikaze plane.
So stupid.
Oh my god, I love anal. Oh, that's not a kamikaze plane, that's a luxury plane. I'm looking for the cunt planes, I mean stud planes. Whoops. So horrible.
KKK.
I just got that in as well.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Cause I don't fucking care.